Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you may go to your network and you may find that you may have accepted individuals that you feel are going to be not relevant. So you're going to go to this connections page, and what you can do is you can then go to their profile. And if you want to message them, you can message them. However, all you'll need to do is to go to this category that says More. And what you're going to do then is you're going to click this link that says Remove Connection. Now, the individual will not find out that you have removed them as a connection. Now, another choice you have is you can unfollow their content. What that means then is that their content will no longer show up in your newsfeed. Now, it could be that you want to keep them as a first level contact, yet at the same time, you don't want to have their content showing up in your newsfeed so that you don't react to it on a daily basis, and you can unfollow this individual so that that happens. You can also do this from the connection screen. And all you'll need to do is you'll need to go to these three dots, and you can click this link very simply that says Remove Connection. Once that happens, the individual will then be removed from your contacts and they will not be placed back. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.